Malwarebytes Firewall Control, taking back your network. So, the Windows Firewall paradox. Windows Firewall's powerful native post-based security features enabled by default filtering traffic by IP protocol and port. It runs silently in the background, giving most users a false sense of complete protection. The catch: Windows obscures granular management, often leaving users unaware of which app silently phoning home. Visibility is the missing layer. So, bridging the visibility gap, malware, firewall controls transforms a native Windows engine into a proactive, user-aware security tool, putting you in the driver's seat of every connection. Real-time alerts, instant notification for every new outbound connection attempts. So, one-click control, block or allow app directly from system tray or right-click menu. Native engine enhanced, leverage the existing Windows filtering platform, adding a transparent management layer on top. 4 modes of total control. No filtering, all protections able, use only for trusted isolated environment. Low filtering, outgoing traffic allowed by default, manual block specific threats as they appear. Medium filtering blocks everything by default. And high filtering aggressively blocks all outbound connection. Maximum security, full manual control. And 2026 standard proactive defenses is minimize your attack surface. Granular control restricts unauthorized app data acceleration, only approves app communicate with the internet. Ongoing rule hygiene, active firewall rule management is now core aspect of a personal digital hygiene, not a one-time setup. You decide what connects. Secure your system by deciding exactly what speaks to the internet rather than letting Windows decide for you. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the question. Question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible. And thank you, guys.